So here we have a BenQ SP840, which is an otherwise lovely projector, except I dropped it. And now, listen, something's broken. So when I power it up now, what happens is the power light comes on, the temp light comes on for a few seconds, then the whole thing powers off again. So I'm going to have to dismantle this and see what's wrong. So first thing I'm going to do is take the bulb out to make sure it's not the bulb. I don't think it's the bulb, but it's worth a shot. So let's find out. I'm sure I'm going to have to disassemble the whole unit, so let's see what we get here. So there's 3 screws here on the bulb and the housing for the bulb. There we go. Had to use a fairly small Phillips. There we go. So look at the bulb. Yeah, the bulb looks okay. Filament's still there. Yeah, I think that's okay. So, see if we can figure out what's... Oh, there's a gate at the bottom there. Let's see if we can get whatever's there to get in. No, it's not coming off. Okay, so, time to flip it over. Okay, now let's look around the edges here. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. I don't see anything, so I think that's it. So let's take a look at this. It looks like there's a pry point right there. So I'll get my pry tool. And it'll also, in case you don't have a pry tool, so pry tool, proper pry tool. I can pop that in and I can pull this up all that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this with a credit card, or equivalent of a credit card, and see what I get. Okay, so that's just pulling the front off, not the top, not this off, which I'm a bit disappointed in. I was hoping that this would, yeah, so that front pops off. Okay, well, good to know. Well, let's pop that off because apparently that's what that does. Now, okay, so I'm just going to slide this all the way around, I guess. We're going to try to pull this apart. So there, yeah, so I've just pried that out like that, and that seems to be popping out nicely. So let's just keep working our way around here and see what we get. Yeah, this is just clipped on. Now I did notice for the control board at the back here that there are 3 screws, and I'll probably have to pull those out. But for the minute, I'm just going to keep going around seeing if I can loosen this up. So a credit card will work, but a pry tool works better. There we go. I am going to pull these 3 little screws out, 1, 2, 3, because I don't think they're going to be optional. I think they're going to be required to come out. Yeah, these are just clipped, as you can see. Let's just keep working your way around. See these 2 screws here. There we go. That is now off. That's the top, as you can see. So bulb housing, actual projector, circuit board. There's more stuff here to pull off. I could pull this ribbon off right here. let me just pull it forward so you can see it. I can pull it off here or here, but I don't think I need to, so for what I want to do. So I'm going to leave that on, but they're easy enough to do. You just slide these out and then the ribbon just pops out and you can slide it back in. They're just flat. They're easy enough to work on. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get that part out that was... There we go. Okay, I don't hear any more rattling in there. So I think what was rattling around in there was this. I'm not exactly sure what that is. It's a spacer of some sort for sure, but where it goes, I don't know. I'm a bit surprised that it affects the operation of the projector and is not just a standoff like one of these legs at the back here. But apparently it is. So I'm going to reassemble this now and see if magically it works better. But if I had a problem with the board or whatever else, I could just pull this apart. These are all very accessible now, so this is not a big deal to pull apart the rest of this at all. Let's reassemble. So just a note, if you're changing these bulbs, you can buy just the bulb, but it's a pain. It costs a few dollars more to get the whole housing. Just get the housing. It's just easier. Yeah. And that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, please get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. Thank you. Bye-bye.